In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a front fender liner on your Chevy Sonic. This is located in the front wheel well. Let's get started. Using a 19mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a T20 bit, remove the screws in the rear of the fender well. Using a 10mm socket, remove the plastic nut in the rear of the fender well. There's 3 T20 screws in the front of the fender well. Remove these. There's 2 more under the front bumper. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop all of the plastic clips out for the front fender liner. There's 1 more located on the bottom. Remove the inner fender liner. Install the inner fender liner. Tuck it up inside of the fender. Be sure it's resting on the stud in the back. Be sure the front is tucked into the front bumper. Install the plastic clips for the fender liner. Three in the front, 1 up top. Install the screws in the front of the fender liner. Install the 2 screws in the rear. Install the plastic nut. Install the wheel. Get the lug nut started by hand. Snug the nuts down. Torque the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds in a star pattern. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.